Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel Car Og 765, the place where we explore some of the most legendary classic cars ever built. If you love vintage automobiles and timeless design, make sure to subscribe to the channel and join our growing community of car enthusiasts. Today we are taking a journey back in time to appreciate one of the most iconic cars in American automotive history, the 1931 Ford Model A. Built by the legendary American manufacturer Ford Motor Company, this vehicle represents an era when automobiles were becoming more accessible to everyday people while still carrying a unique charm and mechanical simplicity. When the Ford Model A was introduced, it replaced the famous Model T and quickly became a major success across the United States. By 1931, the final production year of the Model A, Ford had refined the design and engineering to create one of the most reliable and stylish cars of its time. Looking at the exterior of the 1931 Ford Model A, the first thing you notice is its unmistakable vintage character. The car features tall fenders, a large upright radiator grille, classic round headlights, and elegant body lines that reflect the design philosophy of the early 20th century. Chrome accents and simple yet stylish details give the car a classy appearance that still turns heads today at classic car shows and vintage collections. Another fascinating aspect of the Model A was the variety of body styles available. Buyers could choose from sedans, coupes, roadsters, convertibles, and even pickup versions. This versatility helped the car appeal to many different types of drivers, from families to business owners. Moving inside the car, the interior of the 1931 Ford Model A is simple but charming. Unlike modern vehicles filled with screens and electronics, this classic car focuses on basic functionality. The dashboard typically includes a large central speedometer, basic gauges, and metal controls. The seats were often upholstered in cloth or leather depending on the model, providing a comfortable ride for that era. One of the most impressive things about the Model A is how advanced it was compared to its predecessor. Under the hood, the car is powered by a 3.3-liter inline four-cylinder engine producing around 40 horsepower. While that number may sound small by today's standards, it was quite respectable in the early 1930s. The engine is paired with a 3-speed manual transmission and rear-wheel drive layout. This setup allowed the Model A to reach speeds of about 65 miles per hour, which was more than enough for roads at the time. Drivers appreciated the improved power and smoother driving experience compared to earlier vehicles. Reliability was another reason the 1931 Ford Model A became so popular. The car was designed to be durable and easy to repair. Many owners could even perform basic maintenance themselves, which made it very practical during the economic challenges of the early 1930s. Today, the 1931 Ford Model A is considered a true collector's classic. Enthusiasts across the United States and around the world restore these cars and proudly display them at vintage car shows. Some collectors keep them in original condition, while others customize them into hot rods while still preserving the spirit of the original vehicle. Driving a Model A today is like stepping into history. The sound of the engine, the mechanical feel of the controls, and the classic design remind us of a time when automobiles were still a new and exciting innovation. In conclusion, the 1931 Ford Model A is much more than just an old car. It represents an important chapter in automotive history and showcases the creativity and engineering of early American car manufacturing. Even after nearly a century, it continues to inspire collectors, historians, and car lovers everywhere. If you enjoyed learning about this legendary classic, don't forget to like the video, share it with fellow car enthusiasts, and subscribe to Car Og 765 for more amazing classic car stories.